everybody. Today we got a new topic, that is, we got a broken earphone. So today we are going to repair it at home. You can see it is broken from here. So for that we need one jack, a lighter for removing the coating of wire if you don't have soldering iron. And last thing we need is a cutter. After all, we are ready to repair our earphone. For stereo audio output, we got two wires which are colored red and green, and another is blue which is for microphone, and copper wire is also used for connection. So we have to connect all these wires to the jack. In case of using lighter, we have to burn all these wires for the connection. While joining wires, we have to consider the color of wire. So similar colored wires will be joined. Here you can see I have arranged all the wire, and now I am going to join these all. Here we have connect all the wires and this is ready for use. But I have soldering iron, so I am using it for better connection. It was little bit frustrating for me because the wire was very sleepy, and another cause of this problem was that I was not using wax.